Hello, and thank you for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be going to the New York Hotel and Casino, and we're going to be staying in a King Park Avenue view room. Come along with us and check it out. Here we go. Oh, this must be for adjoining rooms. We got a desk area. Nice mirror. Big side table. Just pull out. Okay. It's open down there. Okay. Nice king size bed. What's this in here? Oh, an ironing board, an iron, place to hang stuff. Nice TV. Some drawers. Oh, we got a safe. That's good. We got some chairs. And then the view. So we can see the Excalibur, and then you got the Big Apple roller coaster. Right here is Lady Liberty. Got the Tropicana across the street and the MGM Grand across the street. Got the MGM Lion right here too. Pretty cool.
And across the street there where they have the Tropicana, they're thinking of tearing that down and building a Las Vegas ballpark, baseball park for the Las Vegas A's if they come here. So
Major League Baseball.
Yep.
Pretty cool. And here's a look at the bathroom. We got a tub shower combo over here. Not too shabby. Got a hair dryer, mirror, nice sink, ice for the ice machine. Kind of on par with MGM properties. I don't see a coffee maker, but the view's pretty cool. Oh, you got two hats. All right.
two hatting.
Oh, and we got the airport out there too. Watch the planes come in.
It's a good view. We can hear people screaming when they go by in the roller coaster.
Yep, we're on the corner of Las Vegas Boulevard and Tropicana. Pretty cool.
Yeah.